So I certainly do come from a family of lawyers. I am a third-generation attorney. I guess it's possible that I would have met my father-in-law while attending elementary school, considering the fact that my wife and I were in kindergarten and first grade together. So you never know how people can come back into your life later on. Jack, my father-in-law, immigrated here to the United States, and in 1972 he graduated from Wayne State University Law School and started a practice. The early 90s, he began practicing in bankruptcy. Jack was always about people and not money. There seems to be a flaw in the system, you could say, where some clients may not get the personal attention that they deserve when they go through a bankruptcy. Jack's biggest strength was empathy, and that is what set him apart. And that definitely inspired me to practice in that way. In the Constitution, there is reference to bankruptcy, the concept of not being burdened by debt for the rest of your life and having a way out is part of the fabric of our legal system. So in 1978, the United States Congress passed a law that created Chapter 11 and Chapter 13, which are the reorganization forms of our bankruptcy code. The concept, of course, is to give people and businesses the opportunity to reorganize their finances, to protect their assets, deal with the debt, and ultimately move on from that nightmare. I'm sure the founders of our country wanted every person to have the opportunity to achieve the American dream. And if for some unforeseen circumstance someone fell on hard times, why should they be punished for the rest of their life and have that opportunity taken away? Bankruptcy is giving people the opportunity to realize the American dream again. The fear around bankruptcy comes from the unknown, because there is no certainty when creditors are suing you. You never know if the next day is going to result in a garnishment out of your paycheck, if your tax refund's going to get taken, if your car is going to get repossessed, if you're going to have a foreclosure notice on your door. Everything is uncertain. There is certainty when you file a bankruptcy case. Bankruptcy is federal law. There are no unanswered questions, and you are going to be given an opportunity to resolve that debt in an affordable way. As bad as people think bankruptcy is, ultimately it's giving you the most unbelievable opportunity to stop all of that madness and recreate a normal life for yourself again. I see someone who is going through a difficult time in their life for one of many different reasons, and I see someone who needs the opportunity to recover. Success is feeling as if I am truly helping people. This practice is not just about creating a Rolodex of files or business, generating attorney fees or anything like that. It's truly about helping people. We are agents of change, where we are not doing what everyone else is doing. We put ourselves in that client's position, and we understand that that could be us or a family member or a friend. This is why empathy is so important in everything that we do, because that is how I was taught by my father-in-law, Jack Berman, who always treated every client with the utmost of compassion and understanding, especially in a bankruptcy practice. You truly never know the impact that you can have in someone else's life. And just the simple act of kindness, of listening, of being empathetic, of taking the extra time with someone can mean the world to them and can be the difference. So now that my son is thinking of law school, this concept of empathy is something I will absolutely want to now pass on to him. Something I, of course, learned from Jack. Now, what a gift to be able to now teach my son to practice in such a way is really something that I want to do. It is just the most amazing feeling that you get when somebody tells you how much they appreciate what you've done for them and how much better their life is, and there's just nothing else I would rather do.